So I'm just doing a quick experiment here. So the experiment basically is, does a raw egg weigh less than cooked egg? The idea behind this is eggs are porous and they basically, how do I say it, gain mass when they've been boiled. So the reason why I'm doing this experiment is because me and a mate had a discussion about this. We both had different answers for it, and when I looked on the internet, I basically couldn't find any answer that satisfied what I was looking for. So yeah, I'm just gonna. So what I'm going to start off by doing is I'm going to obviously got a set of scales here. Just going to turn those scales on and put the container on the scales, and I'll tear those off. I'll quickly and gently, as to not crack any eggs, grab 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. I'm just making sure they're not cracked as I put them in. And put them on the scales, and I'll just get that scale weight there. It's come to 198 grams. So now I'm going to, that water looks like it's come to boil, so I'm going to quickly drop these 3 eggs in as gently as I can, as to not crack them, because, well, obviously, for obvious reasons, we don't want the eggs cracked, because that will give an inconclusive answer to my experiment. So yeah, just dropping these in quickly, very, very gently down the side. Now what also I've got here is, I'm not sure 3 eggs and the scales that I have is enough to register a change in weight. So if it's not, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some food dye to that. Oh, look, that looks lovely. So that if there isn't a change in weight, we'll be able to see if the if there's a transfer of matter between the boiling water and the inside of the egg after it's boiled. If it's green, there's matter has been transferred, and if it's not, then it's quite clearly, if it's not a green egg, then no matter has been transferred. Alright, so I'll let that boil for a few minutes, and I'll come back to you guys, and we'll finish off the rest of the experiment. So I'm back here, looking at my boiled eggs, hopefully. I mean, I don't boil eggs too often, so I'm hoping it's been in there for enough time. It's been about 5 minutes. So I'll just turn this off at the boil. Oh wow, that's smart. I lighted near a stove, Brenton. Anywho, and I will turn this back on, and pop the container back on. Now what I'm going to have to do, I think, I'll just see how they come out, is I'm going to pop them onto that sponge there, and hopefully dry them out as much as possible. So we've got one there. Two there. And three there. Oh, you know what, I forgot paper towel. That was silly. Yeah. That's alright. I'll do it with my hands. Oh, they're dried off fairly quickly because of the heat. Anyway, so yeah, now that's getting pretty hot. So now I'll turn this back on, which it went off. Take this off. That's at 0 grams. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't appear that they've gained any mass. Right? Okay, well let's check this out. Let's break one open. Let's break one of these bad boys open. I'm just going to try and do this one-handed here. So I'll peel this back. Oh, look at that. What? It's as wide as the day is long. Look at that. No transfer whatsoever. I'm excited now. I love being right. I'm sorry, guys. Try this with another one. Peel it back. Look at that. Look at that. So I've just finished peeling all the eggs, and I found this one. It's the only one that appears to have any green in it, and it also appears to have entered through some sort of fault line in the shell, as you can tell there. But look at the other side. That's as wide as you can get, my friends. That is as wide as you can get. So anyway, in conclusion to my experiment, I'd just like to say that I believe, now obviously it would take a bit more testing, I think, but I believe that a porous egg does not gain mass during boiling. Alright, cool, thank you, bye.